How to send messages on Snapchat without being friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily send messages on Snapchat without actually being friends. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Snapchat and simply head over to your chat section. And once you land on the chat section, just go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the bottom right on the top right corner and tap on this plus icon. Now you are just going to go ahead and select any profile here. So for example, let's just scroll down and select this profile right here. And without adding them, what you're going to do is head over to profile first, tap on the three lines and then tap on send profile to. And as you can see here, you can send this to anyone that's not your friend. So what you can try to do is write in any message here, tap on done, and then you can send this profile to this person himself as well. You can click on this add friends option again, and then from here you can send this to anyone from your contact or anyone that you have previously chatted with. For example, if I just want to send this to this person, and here I'm just going to send it like this and then tap on send. And although I'm not a friend with this person, I'm able to send them my messages. So as you can see, the message has been sent. It is saying me that they have not added me as a friend, so they won't be able to see my message until they do. But once they have added me back, they will be able to see the message. So you can still send them the message, but they're just not able to see your message. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.